Welcome to the world of the mysterious Jersey Devil. In just 60 seconds, let's explore this enigmatic creature. The Jersey Devil is said to inhabit the pine barrens of New Jersey. Descriptions of this creature vary, but it's often depicted with wings, hooves, and a fearsome appearance. The origins of the Jersey Devil trace back to the 18th century. Some believe it's a legend born from local folklore, while others claim to have seen it with their own eyes. The Jersey Devil remains one of America's most fascinating and mysterious creatures. Subscribe for more unknown creature mysteries